Hey, what's up world? My name is Jeremy and I own Buythistumbler, Buy This Decal, and Buy This Content. Real quick, follow us everywhere. Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Alright everyone, so when you get your tumbler in the mail, this video will show you how to properly clean it and care for it so that way it's good to drink out of and how to keep it lasting and vibrant for a long time. So you get your package, out comes the box. Don't forget about the little insert inside. This right here will give you a coupon code that never expires for our shops on Etsy. This little snippet here is our way of saying thank you. If you leave a photo review or maybe post it on your social media, if you use hashtag #BuyThisTumbler, we scan every week for anyone that uses that to post a picture of our products that they buy. And then we just send you a $5 coupon code, good for anything in our stores. So you're gonna pop your tumbler out of the box. Okay. Your straw should be wrapped. Okay, if it's not, I would definitely give it a thorough cleaning. It does come with a little straw cleaner brush. And that is a stainless steel straw, so it will not rust. This is the Marvel tumbler, the Marvel Retro Vintage, I believe we call it online. Okay, this right here is optional if you want to install a little rubber grip to the bottom, protect your surfaces at home, keep it from slipping and sliding. Okay, it's just a 3M adhesive on there. Otherwise, you'll see here around the inside edge, when we do these prints and we actually use heat-resistant tape to adhere it before we put it into the heat press, it leaves some residue. Okay, you can scratch it off with your fingernail if you want, but we'll actually go inside and give this a good washing. Now these are dishwasher safe. I would do them on the top rack. I personally have never put mine in a dishwasher because I only ever drink water out of it, so I will just hand wash it to keep it lasting longer. Otherwise, they are vacuum insulated, stainless steel. All right, so once you get it out of the box, we'll go inside and I'll show you how to give it a good cleaning and washing. All right, so first you're going to remove the straw and the cleaner from the package. Turn on your warm water and whatever soap you use. I use Dawn dish soap because it's pretty gentle on the hands and the product. Bottle brushes work great. Just get some soap on there and start filling up your tumbler with hot soapy water. It doesn't matter how hot the water is because these things are cooked at about 400 degrees. Your hot water from your sink's not going to wash away the image. Go ahead and give everything a good cleaning. You may have to scrub the inside of that tumbler for a while to get the residue marks off, but they will come off. When you do the straw, just get some soapy water on the end of the straw cleaner and clean it from both ends. Clean the outside, give everything a good rinse one last time. Clean the outside of the tumbler as well, because sometimes it does leave some grit from the paper and ink that we use to sublimate. And there you have it, a nice clean tumbler ready for whatever your poison of choice is. Remember to always use soft brushes and not abrasive materials like steel wool. Thanks for watching guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on all of our upcoming videos and products as we release them. Take care and we'll see you next time.